Workout Wednesday. I recently was at Target and I saw this ab ball and it was only $4.99, so I figured that I would try it out. And it already comes with some workouts. So these are the ones that I'll be doing today. So it comes with the ball. This is the ab ball. It doesn't really say how much to blow it up, so I'm not sure if I blew it up enough, but it also says not to blow it up like too much, so I really don't know. So be on the lookout for my weigh-in number 6, which is super exciting. I can't believe I've been doing this for 6 months. I've never actually stuck to any kind of working out for that long ever, so I just need to get my diet in check. And then also I have an apple cider vinegar challenge that I did, which is where I drank a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar every day in the morning. It was pretty harsh, but be on the lookout for that. And yeah, let's get started. So starting with the warm-ups, we're going to be doing 3 reps of each workout. So for the workouts, we'll be doing 3 sets and it will be 8 reps for each set. First workout is full roll-up. Second workout is crunch at 8 reps. Third workout is bicycle, 8 reps. Fourth workout is bridges at 8 reps. Fifth workout is single kick at 8 reps each leg. Sixth workout is double leg circles at 8 reps. Full roll-up is basically like a sit-up, except you're reaching up into the air. Obviously, I could not do that. Bicycles are my favorite. You just pull each knee towards your body, alternating each leg. For the single leg kick, you are to lift your upper body up and touch your toe with the ball. For the crunch, you are to put your legs in 90 degrees and then just come up into a crunch. Bridges were pretty difficult since you have to balance your feet on the ball, but you just lift your butt up so that your knees to your shoulders are in a straight line. The double leg circles were also a little difficult, and with those you just make a circle with your legs about hip width apart, maybe a little more. By the way, the majority of these workouts can be done without the ball.